Tastes good. More sugar. The key to Southern cooking. A little bit of sugar.
And a
salt.
lot of butter.
And a lot of butter. So you've got me, my brother Mon, and my brother Franz all work here. My mom also does. She kind of keeps us away from each other. Yeah, Mon, you're messy. Bro, your brother's messy.
You're messy though. It's in our gene, man. It's an Arnold gene. We're all messy.
Yeah.
So I guess about 1981, 1982, my dad was working for Lynn Chandler. This was Chandler's Cafeteria. And this was kind of, he had many restaurants, and this was kind of his forgotten one. My dad started the place, and over the years, downtown was kind of a lunch spot. Meat and threes became pretty prevalent in the 80s. Kind of everybody comes in and eats a big meal for lunch. My dad started just doing breakfast, and lunch was hot time, and we were getting busy for lunch. Kind of everybody comes into Nashville. It's kind of cool. You get to see anybody from country music singers to valet drivers to judges to it's kind of every kind of walk of life. That's one really cool thing about Nashville. I guess working with family, you know, it's the good thing is, you know, they're always going to be here. The bad thing is, sometimes when you leave here, the last thing you want to do is see each other. We have a good relationship overall. You know, I guess we're a really tight-knit family. You know, I hang out with my brothers on the weekend. They know a lot of time when I'm thinking before I think it, and I'm same with them. We have developed such a good clientele base.
There's nothing like this anywhere. This is special.
Yeah, we're special, all right.
It's almost like a school cafeteria where there is no pretentious people. You know, you will have judges who are friends with construction workers. You will have a table full of TBI agents sitting with somebody who works for Metro schools. You know, it's really, there is no, who are you? I'm a part of Nashville. It's really what it is. I'm a part of Nashville, and you know, nobody really matters what you really do. So that and the love of food my dad had and I have. It's like, you know, you want to serve them the freshest thing, the best thing. You want to, you know, the look on their face says it all. You know, that's one thing I like about cooking is the immediate gratification. The love of food is one reason why I think a lot of people come here. You know, they feel it coming from the food we cook. You ain't had Southern food till you've had Arnold's. How about that?